Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this very simple part with the help of part design workbench. And this tutorial is designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD. So you can see that I have already converted this isometric drawing into the 3D model, and I will show you from the scratch. So first I will close this file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial and create a new file. And here I have activated the part design workbench, and here I will insert a body. I press the space bar and on my origin plane, and here I will select the front plane and click on the sketch, and now I will go to the model tab and off the my origin plane. Now I will click on this rectangle tool and create a rectangle, and now I will select the line and draw this profile, and now click on the trim option, so trim these two. Now we will give the dimensions. So vertical dimension is of 56. This is 16. This is 84, and this is 10. So our profile is fully constrained, and now we will come out of the sketch, switch to the isometric, and total extrusion is of 50 mm. So we will click on the pad and click here symmetric 50, click on OK. Now the next feature which we will create this profile, and for this we will select this face and click on the sketch. We will switch to the isometric, and now I will select the project geometry. I will project this edge and this edge, switch to the right plane, and now I will select the line tool, draw a vertical line and draw one line here, and this is the 54, so give the vertical 54, and from here we will create a line in angle, and then we will select the 3-point arc, create a 3-point arc, select the line tool and select the tangent and give here the tangent. Outer radius is R19, so select the radius and give the 19, and from the center to this is 70, so give the horizontal 70. Now move the dimension. So here is our sketch is fully constrained. We will close it. We will click on the pad, and this extrusion is of 13 mm. So we will click on the reverse direction, click on OK. Now you might be seeing that these two bodies are not merged because of the we have not used the refine true, so we will click on our last features, and here is a refine is false, set it true, so it will be merged. And now the next feature which we will create this rib. So for this we will, on the origin plane, we will select this exit plane and click on the sketch, switch to the model tab of the origin, and now we will project this to geometry. So click on project geometry and switch to the wireframe, and we will create a triangle. And from here it is a 13 mm, so we will also project this point, and we will select this and this with a horizontal dimension of a 13 mm. We will close it. From here switch to the flat lines. Now this pad is of 10 mm, so click on the stage, click on the pad and click on symmetric to the plane, click on OK. Now we will create this hole of 19 mm, so we will select this face, click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, click on project geometry and click on the circle, create a circle of diameter 19, click on close, click on cut, say through all, say OK. So this is how we have successfully converted this isometric drawing into the 3D model with the help of part design workbench. So this is the very simple tutorial for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.